Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install Epson L360 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Before we proceed, make sure that you have copied the link that I have pasted at the description box below. So make sure that you have copied it. Once you have copied it, proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, please wait until the best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. Now you would be able to see a window like this, where here you need to proceed at the window search bar and press Ctrl V key in the keyboard and click on Enter so that you will be redirected to the result. Now you would be able to see this one, which is the Epson L360. All you need to do is you need to click on this download. Okay, the moment you click on it, this will show up. So from here, please scroll down and choose your operating system. So just click this down arrow key and choose your operating system. And since we have Windows 11, then we need to select with Windows 11. Okay, so if you have also Windows 10, you can go with this Windows 10 64-bit or just select your operating system. Okay, so once you're good, please click on this drivers and it will show up two driver here, which is the printer driver and the scanner driver. So please proceed with printer driver and click on this download. So from here, you need to accept the license agreement so that you can start on the downloading process. So click on keep to continue. So just proceed to the first tab first, and if you haven't downloaded the scanner driver or installed it in your Windows, please click on download as well. In my case, I have already downloaded and installed one. Okay, so by that, please proceed at the upper right side of that, click on this download icon to check the download progress. So we just have to wait until this will be finished before we can proceed to the installation. Once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon to show it in folder. Okay, and once you are being redirected here, all you need to do is you need to click on this cat icon, close the window as well as the browser, and here at the desktop, make a right click and go with the spaced icon. Once you have pasted that, we need to proceed on the extraction of this file. So please make a right click once again. And from here, you need to scroll down. Okay, please scroll down, go with this one, and go with extract to. So wait until it will be successfully extracted. Okay, once a new folder would appear here, please proceed at the button search bar. And from here, please type for settings. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear again in this window, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So from here, please proceed at the right side, left side of that, sorry, and proceed with the Bluetooth and devices. Go with devices to show up the devices settings. Once you are here at the devices settings, you need to scroll down and locate with more devices and printer settings. Please click on it and you just have to wait until a new window would pop up here, which is the devices and printers. And since the target of this video is to install Epson L360, then we need to proceed with the option at the top of that, which is add a printer. Please click on it and this window would show up. Proceed with the bottom option, which is the printer that I want is enlisted, and choose add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Go with next. Click this down arrow and choose among of this USB port. It could be USB 001, USB 002, or 003. No other than that. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Go with next and go with have disk. So from here, you need to click on Browse and proceed to the desktop. And from the desktop, please scroll down. Choose with this one, L360, double tap to it, double tap, double tap once again, and choose the driver. Once you're good, go with Open, click on OK, and it will be added here. Please click on Next, go with Next, and it will now start in the installation. We just have to wait until this process will be finished. Okay, so this might take for some time. We just have to wait. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation. Once you're good, please click on next. Okay, to allow printer sharing. And if you would like to set it as your default printer, please check this box. In my case, I want to. That's why I'm gonna leave that unchecked. Go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L360 series in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.